there's another question on the board. It says, thank you, Rabbi. I learned people raise oysters or mussels commercially and kill them to get the pearls. Does it count as torturing animals? Are we allowed to enjoy pearls?
Yes, we're allowed to enjoy pearls. I mean, I think they eat this food as a food. I think the Gentiles, they eat this thing. But even if they don't, so like you're still allowed to enjoy the pearl, right? So because these creatures were created, like the pearl is the essence, right? So we're not it was done for constructive purpose. For example, you can kill an animal even though you're not going to eat it, but you kill it for its height. There's no problem. Or you need some organ for medicinal reason, whatever the case is. Yeah, you're allowed to do that.
So are we still required to take this animal's life like as humanly as possible?
Of course, yes. So yes, of course. The question is the halacha is, so we should not make the animal suffer, right? But if you need to take its life, you take its life. That's why it was created. It was not created to live free. These things. It was they were created for human needs. Yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
So yeah, you're welcome. What else?